Good morning everyone. Congratulations to all buyers, Karabe. The entry was now at 1944 or 1945, and then you won around 150, 120, 180 pips from gold. Okay, I hope you had profited in our last from our last trade in gold. Diba, unang trade natin is the break-even at stop gain. Wala tayong break-even. Stop gain 945, then re-enter in 1944 with a stop loss at 940. So check out the Telegram for the exact entries. So yung mga hindi pa na-join sa Telegram, it's free to join. Just check out the description of this video. From the previous video, sabi ko, diba, during these times of yung parang rapid na down, because it has happened before. Okay, so hindi na natin yun, mahaba na yung video natin. So that happens before, ulit-ulit lang naman ang mga nangyayari sa market. So here we can see we have a top here, and gold went down. Bumaba siya. It's around 1,000, no? 1,000 plus pips. And then I was telling in the previous video na I expect there would be a retracement since nag-consolidate na nga dito si consolidate na nga dito si golden prices. I was expecting that this consolidation will break and will retrace around 400 to 500. So from 1814, yan, 1814, yan. Then it's up, nag-gap up pa siya ng 1860. So that's around 500, around 400 plus pips na retracement. So that was I was expecting. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, 1845 lang yung magiging target natin. So nung Lunes, ng umaga, na-hit natin si 1845. And then I saw the prices. Tanggalin muna natin yung drawing natin. So that was the expectation. Okay? So nakuha ba natin lahat dyan? That was the expectation. From, ulitin ko lang ha. So from here, yung position natin ng NFP, I was expecting a retrace or a pullback around 400 to 500 pips. So that happened on Monday. I wasn't expecting na Monday mangyari. I was expecting this week. So there's a gap up. Not expecting a gap up, but again, it moved in our favor. So dun sa 1845, dun yung TP natin una, then we secure the profits there. So because that was the plan, no? 1845. Now nag-gap up siya. Here we can see, pagkatapos ng gap up niya, the Asian and the London session was consolidating the price dito. Okay. Looking at this before the NY session, I was thinking, oh, this is a range. So, gagamit tayo ng SGC. So, the Smart Genfrix concept. Let's zoom into the 30 minutes. So, gagamit tayo ng SGC dito. The Smart Genfrix concept. So, I was contemplating, magandang gamitin, SGC or the Sogeking. So, kung SGC ginamit natin dito, here, I will plot the SGC levels. So this is the level ng SGC. And then, dito din sa baba. So that was the range. So, di pala dyan. Alitin natin. So the range for the SGC will be here. So, eto. And then here. Okay. So I was contemplating. Pag nag-SGC tayo with this gap, okay, meron tayong gap dyan. So everybody is expecting to feel the gap. So everyone. So I think most of the traders are expecting to feel the gap. No? I-feel nila yung gap. The gap will be filled because baka nagulat lang yung market because of the war. Meron war sa Middle East, yung magiging catalyst. But knowing that walang economic data, wala kang catalyst. No? Wala kang catalyst to break this. Wala kang catalyst to break this, the 1845 level. So that was the retrace. Sabi ko, the retrace should be around 1845. So the 1845 level is a significant level. Okay, pag na-break to, could push down the price pabalik sa kung fill the gap na yan. But there is no economic data. Walang nagbago. So ano yung catalyst for this gap? It's the war on the Middle East. Then we see ng market, ang market reaction. May panic. Okay? So, para ma-fill yung gap na yan, it needs a catalyst, an economic data, a fundamental na dapat balikan niya to because it's the price of gold, no? Parang masabi natin, the price of gold is not worthy dito sa price na to since ganito yung fundamentals. But walang ganon sa Monday. So I wasn't expecting na kung mag-SGC tayo dito, it doesn't really make sense since manipis yung volume daw kasi bank holiday. But I was thinking na kung mababreak yan, kailangan merong catalyst. So there's no catalyst, walang catalyst walang catalyst. Dito din, kung mag-breakout dyan, wala ka rin catalyst. So I was expecting mag-Sogeking na lang tayo. Okay, so what is the Sogeking? So nung pumasok na yung price dito, here, so the first down, itong touching na yan, was, I guess here, ito yan, ito yung mga candles na yan. Nung na-break na to, so I was expecting, yes, pwede tayo mag-Sogeking. So nag-Sogeking tayo una, 1845, and then went up, konti, and then went down, nag-stop gain tayo kasi pumunta yun sa 1848, I guess 1847, that was 30 pips, then stop gain, then hit the stop gain, then after that, nag-re-enter tayo ng Sogi. So same pa rin yung bias, buy, but the entry was here and then we'll leave it there, diba? Pag nung pumunta siya dito, na break na tong ulo na to, I said yeah, we should put stop gain na. So same pa rin sa 1845 ata yung stop gain natin. Basta yung entry natin doon 1844 nandun sa Telegram. Then 1845 and then went up as high as the 1862. So I secured my profits dahil it's around 180 pips. Nag-secure na ako ng profits doon. Okay, so that was the idea behind that. So looking at the long term dito sa gold, is it good to hold for the buys? I don't know. Maybe it's not really good to commit long term biases for this gold. Ito lang tayo, take advantage of the panic. Here we can see, ipa-plot natin dito. Oh. So here you can see the movement, yung sabi ko. And then there's a consolidation here, then retrace with a gap here. Okay, yung retrace na to, this is what I'm expecting after the NFP trade. So nangyari na siya, naka-profit na tayo, we take advantage of it. Here we can see, meron din breakdown dyan na nangyari. Kita nyo yung candle na to. This candle broke down. Diba? Ito yun. Ito yung naging breakdown. So this move is the correction for this breakdown here. So the significant level now is the 1860 level to 1865. So yung magiging support mo ngayon or resistance. So I expect na yung prices mauuntog dyan and then it could consolidate here and just below the 1860 level. The next one to break is this one. Since meron tayong mga kandila dito na namuo and then it's getting smaller, the ranges are getting tighter before it broke down and then went back up high. Okay, so expect a consolidation dito sa level na to. It's around 1860 to 1870. Okay, so maglalaro yung pressure dyan, ganyan. So another breakout will be maybe sa CPI. Okay, CPI inflation na data pag na-release na yun. And then if it greatly favors the US, then we could see fill the gap. So dun yun, sabi ko nga sa isang message natin doon, 1865 is the best time to sell. Okay, but take note na hindi ito magiging valid when the market structure changes. So as of now, the 1865 level is a significant level which dapat mag-consolidate muna siya sa 1865 to 1870 para kung good yung inflation, good para sa US, it could fill the gap. Okay? 1865 is a good level. Ulitin natin. So 1865 to 1865 is the level. So ito yung level na yun. Be here, and then when the CPI and the inflation comes, if it's good for the US and we see that the Fed will clearly increase their interest rates FOMC meeting nila, then we could see a gap being filled after that kasi fundamentals yan. So meron tayong catalyst. So interest rate going up, it is not good. So if interest rate is up, it's not good for gold na bullish hold ang mga investor. Bakit? Interest rate up, so the interest rate of the US dollar, it's better to hoard the dollar than gold. So, kung ganun yung magiging sentiment, this gap would be filled. Okay? So, that's around 200 to 300 pip na move. So tapos na yung ganon, tapos na yung retrace na 400, you can see consolidation of prices here. It's either it will break and back to 1900 or babalik siya dito and we fill the gap. Okay? So that will be your bias today. So it depends on the CPI. So for now, wala pa tayong big talpak and big movements dahil iniintay natin to. Ano yung magiging result nito. So just before it, tingnan natin yung market structure. But for now, expect prices will consolidate between 1870 to 1860. So that would be your range today if you are a swing trader or a scalper. So pwede ka mag-ano dyan, buy on support, sell on resistance at these levels. Pwede ka dyan. And yeah, on the CPI, that will be a make or break. So it will break pataas or break pababa. Hindi natin alam. But I'm expecting na mafe-fill tong gap on CPI news. Okay? So marami din na-expect dan. So if ever masyadong maraming nag-expect na ma-fill the gap, then it won't fill the gap. Okay? So I hope everyone may nakuha kayo dito kahit magulo yung drawing natin. And God bless everyone. I hope you have a profitable week today. This week. For the mentorship, yes, I'm working on it. I don't know if kaya ba itong tapusin yung October, but hopefully we can start it as soon as possible. Okay? So good luck everyone and God